What extensions look like in Flutter? They look like this. Of course, this is an example and cannot be used as is, but the general scheme looks like this. Just like a class, you can create an extension with the keyword extension and define the type that this extension will operate on. Now you can call these extensions on the instance of defined type. For example, padding extension. To use it, add a point at the end of any widget and call the pad method. Padding extension does the rest. Don't forget to add the this keyword to the target type parameter. We don't want to add another child parameter to this extension. The this keyword will take the object, which in this example is a widget, and use it as is. So you don't need to add any context or anything else. Let's take a look at the same two widget trees. The only difference is that one of them uses an extension. This is a column without an extension, and this is with the extensions. This looks much cleaner, right? And also more customizable. You can create custom style material cards and define it as an extension. It is more convenient to use it this way because you don't have to pass the child. It's already connected to child. Let's take a look at other examples. For example, navigation extension. To call the extensions of type build context, simply put a period at the end of the context and call the method. For example, context.navigate to homepage. This works for snack bars too, so you don't have to use scaffold messenger for every time you show a snack bar. I can use extensions within extensions. This will allow us to create a more complex structure in fewer lines of code. There is an example of this with ClipRRect and border radius extensions. You can iterate for different use cases. You can also create it for strings. For example, this extension will capitalize the characters at the beginning of sentence. Also, capitalize every word's first char uses the capitalize first char method internally to reduce code repetition. And with that, you have learned the basics of Flutter extensions. With extensions, you can create anything you want, within objects and types of course. If you think of more different and creative things that can be created with this, you can share them in the comments. Take care and see you in the next one.